Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how to properly upload and schedule Facebook videos. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. Let's get into the video. Okay, to begin you will need to go to your page menu over here, click on this drop arrow and select your page. If you don't find your page here, you go to more to view other pages that are logged into your Facebook account. So I'll click on Armando Media. Next you go over here to more, you click on this more and select publishing tools. Go to tools and select creator studio, create post and select create post. Go to video and select the file to be posted. Okay, this is the video. Double click to open. Now you need to title. The title talks of how to place an image inside the shape of in Photoshop. So I'll type how to place image inside the shape. The description should go in line with what you are posting, should go in line in what you are posting as this video. So if this video is talking of how to place a text or an image inside a shape in Photoshop, means you need to describe in detail what the video is all about in the description. In this video you will learn how to place an image inside of a shape in Photoshop 2019 or any other version. Clipping mask permits us to do this in a single click. So maybe clipping mask is what we need. It's an important tool in putting an image inside of a shape in Photoshop. Next you can click on this add a messenger button. So this will allow your viewers to send you a message automatically whenever they click on send a message. Click this post includes a button to people, so people can reply in Messenger or they can ask questions about that video in Messenger. Now another important key factor that shouldn't be left behind are tags. Tags will make your video easier to find. That is, it is an important ranking tool that permits your video to be searchable on Facebook. Now, and these tags vary depending on the video. For example, if this video is talking about how to place images inside the text or inside the shape in Photoshop, means I can put the place image inside the shape or Photoshop. For example, since it is talking Photoshop, I click on Photoshop. Image inside shape can be my next tag. Image inside the shape or image in shape, like that. I'll click here. I'll click clipping mask since I saw the clipping mask. People can type and search on Facebook how to use clipping mask or what is clipping mask. Maybe this video can't be seen in their search engine. Clipping mask, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe here, image in shape, something like that. Photoshop 2020 or graphic design, like that. Okay, that is what I think I can put for now in these tags. So tags will vary according to the video you are posting. Now next you need to go to thumbnail and then you will go to add thumbnail. You add a custom thumbnail, upload a high resolution image that best represents your video. Thumbnails are just simply cover images to your videos. Now before you go to posting any video on YouTube or Facebook, you need to do what we call custom thumbnails in Photoshop or any other graphic designing tool. Go to image or add image to select one that I did with Photoshop. Okay, this is place an image inside a shape. I will simply double click, or I click once, then go to open. So this is what will be on my cover video. Subtitles and captions. Subtitles are barely written scripts beneath your videos that can't be turned on or turned off. You find here video language. You need to select the video language in your video, or that language can automatically be selected by Facebook himself. I will click English if my video is in English, like this, or if my video is in Spanish. In French, I will need to select Spanish. Choose the main language spoken in the video, or this can automatically be generated if I click here, or you can type here, or you can upload a file containing that transcription or containing that caption. Choose default language. That is not selected because it is already okay here. So this is also important. Adding captions increases video engagement. You can try to auto generate them for you, or you can write them yourself, or upload a subrip file like what we just said. Tracking now will help search your videos into your page. That means tracking here is only important to you. Add labels to help you search for your video. These labels are only visible to page administrators, so you can add place image in text, place image in text, or in shape like this. You can also add Photoshop, graphic design, Photoshop. So if you type Photoshop when searching for this video, it will automatically show you all the videos that were saved with Photoshop. If you want to go back to your description or your title, then you click on video details. That's it. Choose how to publish your video post. That is, you post directly, publish now. So if I go to publish, the video will automatically be published on Facebook. But since I want to schedule this post, I will need to click on schedule, so that people will be notified, or my viewers will be notified that I plan to schedule a video, or I plan to post a video maybe tomorrow or maybe in 2 hours time. So that will like pull their mind to keep waiting until the video is live. But in this case, I will choose video premiere. Video premiere will make your video go live like a football match that we are watching. Premiere is what I always use because it will give you more viewers. You will schedule your post. I will select premiere and go to schedule. Okay, now you need to select the date and the time. Today is May 17. No, today is May 16. If I want to post this video May 16, then I will put here 16. I will select 16, but 3:45 a.m. is already passed. I can only schedule a premiere between 10 minutes and 70. That means it should be 10 minutes ahead of the actual time. Since I want to schedule this one for 17, I will select 17, and then I will select this one, that is 3 a.m. I'll put here 00. That is at exactly 3 a.m. GMT plus 9, that is Asian time. This video will be live. Display in match in watch. Display this video in watch, yes. Allow embedding, yes. You can feed is already selected. Add a second video, no. So these two should be checked. Choose playlist. Now playlists are also very important as compared to posting your videos. be it on Facebook, be it on YouTube, or be it on any platform that has that option to save. Playlists are for videos that share a similar theme, such as cooking, recipes, or sports highlights. For example, since I always create Facebook videos, I create YouTube videos, and I create other content videos. I can create a playlist, Facebook videos, YouTube videos. So that is why when I go to my playlist, I have so many tutorials, Photoshop, YouTube tips, Facebook tips and tricks, films. Since this one is Facebook, I will select Facebook tips and tricks. One big advantage when you create a playlist, you can share this playlist as a single list. I hereby mean that if you have 10 videos saved in a playlist and you happen to share that playlist, it means that you automatically shared 10 videos to people. So it will be very easy for someone to watch those 10 videos in just a single playlist. Add a series, select series are for episodic content that's part of the same narrative. So I'm not creating any series, but if I were creating series videos, then I will add that here. You can post this video on other Facebook pages that you managed. Turn off reactions, comments and share. If you select this, people won't be able to comment sharing these videos to their loved ones. Don't do that. This one is by donating. If you want, if this video is for donating to people, then you need to add a button to raise money for a non-profit. That is optional. Your video is ready to schedule for 3 a.m. GMT plus 9 tomorrow, 17th GMT plus 9 at 3 a.m. Go to schedule. That is all what we need to do when posting and scheduling video posts on Facebook pages. So when that video will be live, your video post is processing. When finished, your video will be posted. Like I said, this is what we have in this place. This is the scheduled post that has been programmed for tomorrow at 3 a.m. You can click on get reminder, so viewers will also see this, so that they can click on get a reminder or whatever, so that as time approaches, Facebook will automatically send them messages. That is the package I put for you today on how to properly upload and schedule Facebook videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share and ring the bell. I will see you in the next video.